couldn't understand.
But it's actually a very interesting question because what I read recently, because I sometimes make research, in our group, and looking forward from time to time to looking what you are doing, and I see Alibaba, you bought it, and I was, oh yeah, Alibaba, it's interesting company, it's tricky, and Lilo bought it, and Charlie put in and then I see like 4 or 5 months, and Mr. Pabrai sold it, and I said,
well, I think the Alibaba sale is driven by tax loss selling. There's two reasons.
Okay.
One is that after I made the Alibaba investment, I got to know Tencent better, and I believe that it's a superior business model and a superior company.
Yes.
And so we were able to kill two birds with one stone. I could move from Alibaba to Tencent.
Okay.
I capture the tax loss, which is efficient from a tax point of view, and I believe I end up in a better business. And so that was the motivation. So everything is opportunity cost. Right. And so there are many businesses that Alibaba has that I do not like. I hate retail. They have retail businesses.
Do they?
I hate that.
Okay.
The Fresh Hippo and these businesses may do very well, but I don't like retail as a business. And so, Tencent in the capital allocation runs circles around Alibaba.
Yeah.
So I think they are much better capital allocators.